Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So basically we're using Wix in 2026 to build your own website, but now it's time to actually look for a domain. You want to use your own or you want to go and look for ones, you want to buy some, it depends on you. So in today's small tutorial, I'm really gonna show you on how to actually connect your domain to Wix.com in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first thing first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet and every other detail. As for now, we're gonna go to Wix.com. So this will basically take you to this home page, tap on Wix.com, make sure you use your email address and password. Then they're gonna basically take you to the window where you should set up, since you are a new customer, I may say. Connect a custom domain. Make this recommended domain yours or search for an available one. So, right now, if you want to put a domain here, all we're gonna do is delete this current one, then put your own. You're gonna tell me how will I actually pick my own or how to actually change it. So let's go for basically domains and expired domains, domain name or domains. So we have this website for domains. We have Namecheap, we have GoDaddy.com, we have an expired domains, we have much more domains. So for example, if you own a current domain in whatever platform, let's for example say Namecheap, all you're gonna do is go through the settings. Make sure you copy the full domain, put it here, then tap on Let's Go for example. Then follow the DNS or Wix guided setup. And that's it. Once connected, all you're gonna do is hit publish and your domain will go live. And that's it. Thank you all for watching and I will see you in the next video.